Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we'll be starting off by creating a Microsoft account. So the first thing you want to do is to go to this link here called power.bi.microsoft.com/en-us, and this will take you to this page here. You can do this with other Power Platform services like Power Apps or Power Automate, but since we'll be starting with Power BI, we'll be using this link. And if you don't already have a Microsoft account, you'd want to navigate to this button here and click on the Try Free button. So this is the page where you would create your Microsoft account and enter in your email you want to register with and all the other information required. Let's go with this one, andrewbrownexampro@gmail.com. So for this method of registration, you will need a work email, so you can't use a commercial email account such as Hotmail and Gmail. However, there is another method to sign up. This will require you to navigate to this page microsoft.com/en/ca/microsoft-365/compare-office-365-plans. This page provides you with a few Office 365 and Microsoft 365 apps plans, such as Microsoft 365 apps for Enterprise, Office 365 E1, Office 365 E3, and Office 365 E5. There is an option to try for free, and this will allow you to access and use all the apps on this list. Depending on the plan, they may provide partial use of the app, or some of the lower cost plans may not include some features. The key apps that we're interested in are Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, and Power BI. We'll be going with the Office 365 E5 plan because it includes Power BI Pro. So let's click on the Try for Free button. Here, we'll enter in our email address, andrewbrownexampro@gmail.com. The list here shows all the apps and services you'll be getting in the Office 365 E5 trial plan. And remember that you have a 1-month free trial, so you have to cancel the trial before that date to avoid any fees. So click on Next, then click on Set Up Account. Now, we'll need to provide information such as our first name, surname, business phone number, company name, company size, and the country we reside in. Once we're done that, we have to accept the terms of service. Looks like we have to provide a verification code. Let's enter that code in and verify to proceed. Next, we have to create a domain name. We'll try to keep it simple, so let's go with Exam Pro. Looks like Exam Pro is already taken, so let's try to add a 1. It's available, so we can use this. After that's complete, we can create a password and confirm the password. Then press Next. Next, we'll have to add a payment method, so you'll need to enter in your card information here and everything else that is required. Once again, you'll have to remember to cancel before the 1-month period to avoid any charges on your card. After that's complete, we'll have to review all the information that we entered in and confirm to start the trial. It'll just take a bit to add the products to our account, but once that's complete, we can start using the Office 365 E5 trial, so click on that. Remember to use your domain email that we just created to sign in. So in this case, it's Andrew Brown at exampro1.onmicrosoft.com. Enter in your password and click on Sign In. If you want to install Microsoft 365 on your computer, you can click on here. I already have it on my system, so I can skip this step. For the domain, we can use the default exampro1.onmicrosoft.com for now. We won't need to add any users or assign licenses for now. We can continue here as well. After that's all done, we can go to the Admin Center. Feel free to look around the settings and features if you want to. But now that we have a Microsoft account, we should be able to log into the Power BI platform. So first, we want to go back to the powerbi.microsoft.com earlier at the beginning. Then we want to click on the sign in page. We can use our Microsoft account email that we created, so we can just copy that onto here, then click on Submit. This should log us into the Power BI service. Now we have access to the Power BI service and we can play around with it. So that's how you can create a Microsoft account.